If you're watching this video, thank you for being a part of my journey. This is my first proper recorded online video that I'm about to post. I'm not sure which platform I'll be using. It could be you might be watching this from YouTube, LinkedIn, or Instagram. I'm not yet decided where to put this in. So basically, I am myself Musharraf, and I am a 24-year-old dude, like a middle class dude living in India. I'm an engineer, currently working in Hyderabad. So the reason why I all of a sudden upload this video, it's nothing big, but for me it's quite huge. I'm not sure about the people who watch it. And if you're someone who already knows me from my past, like if you're any of my friends or family, thank you for being here in my life. And yeah, let me come to the point to what this video is about. Enough introduction. So I'm someone who had a lot of bad habits that I wanted to remove from my life, and I'm someone who wanted to try out a lot of new things for the last couple of years. And like I mentioned, I'm working in Hyderabad. I'm an engineer actually. I finished my engineering from a very good university from India, and post that I've been working for nearly 2 years now. And thing is, when I wanted to be an engineer, right, I wanted to build things for the world and build things for the world, as in the sense, I think I'm someone who has this materialistic, gist for it. Like if I touch something, I feel it's real. It's like that. And the irony is, I'm working as a data engineer. I'm an AI engineer, so I'm working with something entirely that no one can touch as of now. It's pure software. I'm really happy on what I'm doing. I'm really happy with the work that I'm doing right now. But I always felt that I can always do more. I can always do better in my life, like using the time that I have for myself. So there is this awesome 9 to 5 job that I do, but post that from 5 o'clock, what to do, like rather than just doom scrolling on Instagram or any other social media or anything, like just instead of wasting my time, I wanted to do something productive. And so because of that, recently I had like a deep talk with my flatmate. The dude is very cool, so we always have such interesting conversations about life, how to progress in life, and how to get successful, so-called success in the world. So we had a conversation about this, and this idea sparked in my mind. So basically recently, I had seen an Instagram page, where there was this another engineer dude, who had a cool 3D printer, and he would build something interesting every day, like build something every day. That was his idea. I think that is the idea behind the channel. Like, as far as the videos that I have seen from his page, I think it's like for the last 1 year, I think it's 2024, he was building one product or one idea, something he brought up on a particular day. So I think at the end there will be 365 new ideas, 365 new products that he have built. I mean, he would have built by the end of the year, right? So I had this crazy idea of doing something very similar for 2025 as a new year resolution, you can say, but coding something every day. So it's like, that was the initial idea. So write a bit of code or write a program, not for my work side, but for myself. Like if I'm doing some side gigs, or if I'm doing some additional projects, or maybe some open source contribution, something little bit every day. So this was my idea to start with. But then I thought, not every day will I be able to build a new application or software. I mean, maybe something small. I can ask ChatGPT, right? Give me 365 small ideas that I can code, and I can ask ChatGPT itself to give me the code. So I thought that might not be like a fully executable idea, I may say. I mean, it can be done. Maybe I can just go ahead, like on a particular day, if I cannot build a new app, maybe put an enhancement on something that I have already done on a previous day. So these things can be done, but actually I wanted to take it up a notch. So my idea was, like, in the beginning, like I mentioned, I have some bad habits that I'm guilty and I regret of having in my life. So I want to get rid of them. Some of them I may not be explicitly mentioning as well. I mean, if you know, the things that you may not want to share with everyone. But then there are these things like these productivity hacks, and like waking up at 5 kind of stuff, making a bed, the that kind of productivity videos that you might have seen. So these kind of interesting habits that I wanted to cultivate in my life as well. So the idea is this: I am planning to make a series of 365 days. So day one of 365 to day 365 of day 365 for the year of 2025. And there I plan to keep track of all the habits, not just coding. Some days it might just be the coding progress that on some project that I'll be doing for myself, or it could be related to any of the productivity hacks that I just mentioned, or it could be related to any habits, bad habits that I want to get rid of. So this is the idea of it, to create a series of 365 episodes or 365 days, if I may. So today, this video that I'm posting, it's getting shot on December 27th, I think. Yeah, today is December 27th or 8th. Anywhere, it's in the last week of December, last week of December 2024. So this will be day zero of 365 of year of 2025. And from January 1st, I'm planning to keep track of the things that I'm doing. So probably you may be seeing this video on LinkedIn, Instagram, or YouTube. I'm not sure where I'll be posting this, but wherever you're seeing this, the same platform, you'll be able to see the rest of the videos also. Heads up, if you are someone who gets annoyed by the content that I post, or if you're someone who doesn't want to see this, you're more than welcome to unsubscribe or unfollow me. It's totally fine. This is more like an accountability that I'm putting on myself and to you, if you are someone who wants to keep me accountable on the things that I want to achieve. I never forget the people who stood by me when I achieve something. So I wish whoever is seeing this, or if you are someone who knows me already, or if you are someone who is seeing the video for the first time, I wish and I hope that you will stay by me throughout the journey, throughout the effort. And yeah, then I'll see you guys on January 1st as day one of 360, day one out of 365 of 2025. Yep. Thank you.